welcome.
How to build an elevator for this hotel. Option 1, parallelogram lift. Model assembly. Add electric motor and pin. Testing. Parallelogram. How does it work?
Luckily, there is an elevator.
Option 2, rack and pinion elevator. Model assembly. Add electric motor and pin. Testing. Rack and pinion. How does it work?
Oh!
Ooh, honey, to the second floor.
Wow! Let's go.
Honey, get this way.
Oh no! How do I get to the third floor?
Option 3, rotating lift. Model assembly. Add electric motor and pin. Testing. Bokirk wheel. How does it work?
Ooh, here we are. Meow.
Option 4, chain drive elevator. Model assembly. Add electric motor and pin. Testing. Counterweight. How does it work?
I have to go up and clean the room. Ah. Let's get started. I need to head up to the third floor for cleaning. Let's get to work on this floor.
Option 5, belt main lift. Model assembly. Add electric motor and pin. Testing. Belt main lift. How does it work?
The trip ended happily.
Oh!
Now, come back home. Buy the modern hotel.
Building 5 Lego elevators. Level 1. Level 2.
How can I fix my roof? I need a scissor lift. Let me help you. Thank you, Mr. Hand. You're welcome.
Aha! Scissor lift, Mr. Hand.
Uh-huh. Okay.
Thank you, Alex and Mr. Hand.
We need more car parking spaces. Help me get my car to the second floor. Okay. Help me! My car can't get out of here. I got an idea. Thank you.